I know you've dedicated a big portion of your career to, people and process. I'm curious, what are some processes, procedures that a maintenance organization must have in place to enable their team to bring their best to work every single day? And I'm also curious on the flip side of that, what have you seen in your experience really hold maintenance reliability teams back?
Whatever processes or procedures that you have, they've got to be aligned so that you're having one system that is supporting another system, is supporting another system, that all of the processes and the procedures are supporting each other. And they in turn need to be in support of the organization's strategic objectives. The processes and the procedures are important, but it's what is going on, the culture and the rationale that's going on behind those processes and procedures that actually is going to determine whether they're going to be successful or they're not going to be successful. If you're telling people that they're empowered, engaged, and to take the role, then the procedures and the processes have to support that. And what are the norms for the organization? You want them to exhibit the behaviors that are going to make you successful. And what's going to drive that are going to be your processes and procedures. To come up with a list of processes and procedures that all organizations require makes the mistake of assuming that all organizations are the same. And it's the culture side of things that will help decide which policies, which procedures, which processes you have in place.